Let's go. Go to my parents' house. My mom needs her Kindle Fire tablet reset. It's been hacked. Odds are. So I'm gonna do a factory reset after I'm sure she knows her Amazon password. So it is raining here today. We were going to have my mom's side of the family get together. That's about 100 people. 70 to 100 people in one place. So quite an adventure. I usually joke, if you see somebody's house, looks like there's a used car lot just showed up, that's my family get together. So today's topic from the content creation standpoint. So yesterday I was having a conversation with my friend Florence, and she's helped me work through goals for my channel for 2024. One of my goals for 2024 is to build my community. I have got some amazing friends in my community, people that I have met through online video mastermind group and different other groups, eCam community. And so, I mean, it's just amazing the people I've met and people that I've collaborated with and people I just have conversations with, and we talk about content creation. And so, what's the difference between friends and community and audience? And I see it this way. Friends are the people that you've got their email, they've got your phone number, you can call and talk to each other. We've been on Zoom meetings together, like we do for our cohort. Then you have your community, and the community is made up of folks who watch your channel, love interacting with you while you're online, and you're hitting the chat and asking questions, and that's community. And then your audience is the folks who only watch your videos on replay, or who are in the live stream but never chat, never ask questions. And so I would love to have more of my audience become part of the community, so they too can communicate and say, hey, tell me about this, or ask questions and that type of thing. And so one of my goals for 2024 is to grow my community, and I'm just thankful for all the people who watch my channel, because they can be doing something else. So I'm really blessed that people want to watch what I'm making. And so to me, that's the difference between friends and community and audience. So I'm sure I'll make more friends along the way as some of that as well, because the online content creators I've met are just incredible people who want to give to each other and want to help each other out. And that is amazing, because it's always that whole thing about, all the ships in the harbor rise together, when the waves come in. And so, content creators that collaborate and work together just make the online community even better. So, if you like this kind of stuff, I'd really love for you to subscribe, and I would really love for you to become part of my community. It's not really mine. It's the people that are in the community. And I just had to be the place where they congregate right now. So, thanks. Bye.